So I believe that sports should not be mandatory at schools. First of all, I would like to speak about the interest. You know very well that everyone has different mindset and everyone has different interest in different fields. So we can't say that sports should be mandatory at schools for every student. It would be a kind of burden on the student if teacher imposed sports. You know that at any cost we have to play sports. So it will be a kind of burden, and because of that burden, students are not able to focus on their studies too, are not able to focus on their personal life too. So it will be a kind of burden on the students when teacher impose sports on them.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sabah and today once again I am standing here to discuss an amazing topic in front of you all, that is about the sports. Should it be mandatory at schools or not? So I think that sports must be mandatory at the schools. Why? So let me ask a simple question from you all, that what is the use of memorizing history when students do not have strength to create the history? Why? What is the use? Has anybody answer? No, because it is reality. Schools without sports are like songs without music. You can read the lyrics but you can never feel the magic. Okay, now I would like to put some data here, that according to the World Health Organization, over 80% of the teenagers are inactive. Okay, and NCRT says 1 in every 5 Indian student is overweight. It means that for them we need sports. And you know, if classroom give us knowledge, so playground gives us strength and health. And without health, knowledge itself becomes weak. So I think that with knowledge we should play sports as well for the betterment of our mind. And I would like to give answer to some of my opponents. They all are talking about the pressure. So don't you think that in our schools math is also compulsory? Why? There are so many students who don't like maths. I would say there will be just 10% students who like the maths. However, maths is not optional. It is compulsory. Why? Because it builds our mind. Similarly, sports make our health. It means that without sports we cannot manage our study. And one more data I would like to put here, that research shows students athletes score 40% higher in the academics. So I think that it must be compulsory for all the students.
So I would say that in the schools we have sports periods too. In that sports period we can play sports, and if you are interested in sports, so you can say to your teacher that I am interested in sports. I want to play on national level, on international level. So you can't say this thing in schools we don't have sports. And you are talking about the maths. Maths is a different option. Like you can't compare sports with math.
Why?
Sports is different, math is different. Maths comes on the education, but sports except sports we have yoga, exercise and meditation too.
Okay.
In that, through that we can improve our mental and physical health.
Can you tell me the difference between maths and sports? Why can't I compare maths with the sports? Why? Okay, it is a good option.
If I am comparing that, my parent is imposing me that you have to get 90% at any cost. So it is a kind of burden on me.Ame here, that if teacher is imposing sports on you, that it's a kind of also burden.
I don't think so. You know,
Same here.
some of the opponents were talking about the time and all, that students are unable to focus on their studies. So as I have told you the reports and all, so I would say sports don't steal the time. Okay, they prepare our health. They make our health. For focusing on our studies, we need sports. And I would like to give an answer of some of my opponents, that Fabiha, she talked about the curiosity, that if there is a sport period, so students will think about the sport, that oh, today we have a sport period, this and that. So on the one hand they are talking about the curiosity, that students have curiosity in the sports, and on the other hand they are talking that students don't like sports. What do you want to say? I don't understand. Okay, and second, I would like to give answer to Afsha sister, that she talked about the government, that government spends this much money and that much money on the sports, and Kev brother talked that government will not spend money on the sports. But First confirm. You both confirm yourself that what do you want to say. Don't confuse us.
So secondly, I want to talk about the career option. You can see that in sports we have less career option than the other field. I would say that Manish Pandey, Shikhar Dhawan. Do you know about them? Who are they? They are not. They were very good cricketer. They used to play very well. But why they didn't get selection? Because of less career option. In sports we have less career option than the other field. Most of the people they do hard work for getting selection in the sports. So why they are not getting? Because of less selection, because of less career option.
Okay, as we all have heard the quotation that for getting something we have to lose something or we have to do hard work. Okay, so for everything we will have to do hard work. It is not a piece of cake to get the selection in the sports. You will have to do hard work. As in the studies, there are so
Sir,
many
they did
students.
very
listen,
hard
listen.
work.
There are so many students who got failed, and because of that they died. Did you ever hear any news that a student did not get selection in the sport and he died? Never. We didn't hear this kind of news. So I would say study is very risky than the sports. So it's better to make career in the sports. Why not?
But if there are less career options, so how we can make our career in
There is
sports?
not only in the there is not only one sport that you will make your career in the cricket only. There are so many sports you can make in there. Like there is badminton, there is wrestling. There
Sister,
are so
it's
many
not
games.
a piece of cake. Like if I will go there and I will get selection just like that.
Same. I'm talking to you, but why don't you understand?
Oh, you are not understanding.